And we're now approaching the convention center. Here's the side of it. It's open all year round, and they have a whole bunch of events, different kinds of events.
Dancing competitions.
They have concerts,
Wrestling.
Not really.
Yes, they do.
No, they don't.
Yes, they do.
And what would you consider this over here? What would you consider all those trees and stuff? Ah!
It's part of the beach. You walk down and see at the beach.
These are dunes, I guess, right?
The habitat for many birds. So, the piper bird.
Piper bird. And now we're moving again.
Piper bird right here.
Oh, film the tram car. Look, the tram car on the other side.
And now here's the tram car. Wait, I need to get it. Okay, here it comes. Where? I think I heard you. And now here. And there goes. You just saw the tram car. Here's the box office, which is part of the convention center. And if you look over here, there's a fire truck. And then they have, each year they have a free concert over here in the park, right here. Now turn it back here. This is just a convention center again.
But try to keep it steady so you don't.
Crazy though.
People are gonna try and they're gonna watch this. They're gonna be all dizzy.
Good, go ahead. Could make them dizzy.
You're gonna make them nauseous.
You feel like you're in an airplane.